Hello and welcome to ReaderZone. This video shows how to create and manage your ReaderZone account with the ReaderZone mobile app. You can find the ReaderZone mobile app in the App Store or Google Play by searching for ReaderZone. When you see this purple book icon, you have the right app. When you download it, you'll arrive at this screen. Click Get Started. Enter the name of the person who owns the account. This person does not have to be a reader. It can be a parent signing up their children, etc. Click Next and enter your email address. The password must be at least 8 characters. Accept the terms and conditions and click Next. Your account can have one or multiple readers. You can add or remove readers at any time. Let's add a reader. With my reader name entered, I click Next. You will enter a 5-character reading program code. This code is provided by your school or library. The code I enter here is an example. Your code will be different. Upon entering the code, you'll see a range of groups or activities that you can join. Select the groups or activities you'd like to join. If there are activities that are required, they will be automatically selected. When you're done, click Join Selected Groups. You might see a question that your school or library would like you to answer after this step. Answer the questions and click Next. Click Go to see the reading groups or activities that you have joined. You can add another reader down here at the bottom of the screen. I will click Go. If you are logging the number of minutes read, you have the option to use a timer. I'll click Start and we'll come back to it. For other groups that log chapters, books, pages, or other metrics, you'll see this keypad. For groups that are asking for a yes/no response, you'll see this screen. If you do use the timer, once you're done, click Pause, Next, and your reading entry is done. To make a past reading entry, click Past Entry here. For days that already have reading entries, you'll see an icon that looks like this. Just click the day for which you'd like to make a reading entry. Put it in the keypad here, click Confirm Past Entry, and you're done. And I've unlocked an award. These awards are defined by your school or library. Once you're through admiring an award, click OK, and you arrive back at this screen. I have several options down here at the bottom of the app. The first is the book bank, where you can track all the books you're reading and the books you finished. To add a book, click the book bank icon and then add a book. And be sure to allow access to the camera on your device. You can either search for a book here or scan a barcode. Be sure to scan the publisher barcode here on the back of the book, and the book jacket will appear here. You can add the books to Books I Have Read or Books to Read. If you're in a group that is logging books and I click Books I Have Read, you'll be prompted to add this book to your reading program. Click Yes here and you've made an entry into your reading program. You can read a book multiple times by clicking Read Again here in the book bank. You can also rate and write a review for a book by clicking Rate Book right here. Down here I can click Awards. I can see all the awards that I have earned and the awards I have yet to earn here in my awards area. And of course you have your progress area, where you can see all the progress of your entire ReaderZone account here on one screen. You can scroll through this and see all the reading that you've done over time. Going back to my home screen, I can add additional readers at any point by clicking the person icon right here. I click Add New Reader and I add a new reader to any group or program that I would like. If you have multiple readers in your account, you will see them by clicking the down arrow right here, and I can select a reader down here at the bottom of the screen. Edit an individual reader by clicking on the gear icon here in the top right of the screen. I can change the reading programs we're participating with up here at Reading Programs, and all my reader details here in the Reader Details area. It's a good idea to allow push notifications from your school or library. To do that, visit the Notifications area in the settings for your phone, and then scroll down to ReaderZone. Within ReaderZone, you can click Allow Notifications right here. Here in the Account area, you can see notifications from your school or library. I can toggle between English or Spanish for my mobile app. And I can edit or make a reading entry for any given reader here as well. If I would like to make a reading entry for Cindy, I'll click Cindy right here. Maybe she read 20 minutes today. I click 20, Next, and my reading entry is done. Please call or email us anytime with questions you have about using the ReaderZone mobile app. Thank you and happy reading.